Welcome back to the 11-foot kayak 2.0. Let's make an anchor that we can get loose. So if it gets stuck in the rocks, you can get it loose. This is my simple kayak anchor you can get just about any of the big box stores. So you just let it down like that, drop that little bell, and tie you a knot in the bottom of it. Let's see, let's take up some of that slack. We don't need all that. So take that up there and come back through here, down there like that. You can tie whatever knot you know how to tie. That works for you. And then you can come up here like this and take you a little zip tie. So this way, when it drags and catches, you see the frogs can hear me trying to speak, so they got to get louder. It grabs and catches and it gets stuck. Then you can just go back the other way and you just rip this until it pops loose there. Once it pops loose, it breaks the tie, then you can pull it up like this. I guess we could just do that. You just pull it loose just like that. That'll unhook it. When you get it back, you just get you another zip tie and then zip tie it back. You can use a heavier zip tie or a lighter zip tie like this. But remember, you got to be able to break that zip tie. If you can't break the zip tie, you're not doing yourself any good. That'd be for the anchor right there. All right, next one we're going to be putting a, oh, sorry about that. Going to be doing a anchor trolley on the boat, and that'll be for our next video. All right, thank y'all for watching. Appreciate the comments and the thumbs up. Everybody's been so good to me so far, and I really appreciate it.